every constellation has its law. What is law? The energy that you have, the power that you have, is the law. Whoever has power, that's the law. See, now this powerful energy from the Pisces has a very great law, and this law is the will to cause or become the cause. Now, this will not ring very easily in your mind, you see, but I will explain it. Will to cause. Now, either you are an effect or you are a cause. If you are an effect, which means if life and other people's actions and feelings and minds is controlling you, you are a machine driven by other energies and forces. You understand that? But if you are a cause, you are controlling things. You are directing things. You are bringing new revelations to the world without being affected by effects. Now, what are the effects? See, you have a body, and our body is related to millions of things. Mostly food, sex, shelter, these kind of things are related. Now, if your body is controlling your soul is an effect, not a cause. If a bottle of whiskey is controlling you and he's saying, drink me, and you are drinking, you are an effect. Cause is bottle of whiskey. If your cigarette is controlling you, cigarette is the cause, and you are controlled. If a girl or boy is making you really lose your mind and control in sexual relationships, you are becoming an effect. You are not a cause. So the challenge of Pisces is to make your cause, which means you really gain victory upon the directions that your body is giving to you. Second, your emotions. So for example, millions, that's all right. Millions of people, I will be more careful. Let me hold like this. Millions of people, millions, I mean, including us, we are really controlled by our fears. Is there any man and a woman here that can say that he's not controlled by his fear? Who search it, you will find, they will multiply like bugs. So we are controlled by fear. If we are controlled by fear, we never become yet cause. If we are controlled by anger, hatred, treason, jealousy, revenge, greed, we are effects. These forces are controlling us. I mean, it's so simple that, for example, you hate that man so much that you take the gun and shoot him. Who did that? You did it, but you were controlled with your hatred and jealousy or revenge, whatever it is. You are controlled. And this applies not only individuals, but groups and nations and humanity as a whole. To be a cause means not to be a slave of your physical, emotional, mental glamours, maya, and illusion, and start acting as souls. And souls have no space and time. Souls don't have mine and yours. Souls have universal compassion. Sees these things are happening and says, because they are standing like this, that's what is happening. If they stand like this, other things. It is your attitude. It's your response to these energies that are creating the life we are calling our life.